If you've ever felt like you're studying way too much, but still not getting the grades you want, you're not alone. But what if I told you that you could study less and still score higher grades? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can maximize efficiency, cut down study time, and still outperform your classmates. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing a bonus strategy that top students use. Identify the valuable topics. Tip number 1. Prioritize valuable topics using the 80-20 rule. Instead of trying to learn everything, focus on the 20% of topics that contribute to 80% of your grades. How do you find them? Check your syllabus. Some topics have more weight than others. Look at past exams. Certain topics get repeated frequently. Ask your teacher. They often hint at important areas. If a concept is frequently tested but tricky to understand, that's where you should invest your time. Master the high-yield topics, and you'll do well even with minimal studying. Focus on quality, not quantity. Tip number 2. Studying longer doesn't mean learning better. It's all about efficiency. Instead of passively reading your notes, use these 2 powerful techniques that top students swear by. Active recall instead of rereading. Ask yourself questions. Cover your notes and try to recall key points. Your brain learns better when it struggles to remember. Spaced repetition. Instead of cramming in one sitting, spread out your study sessions over days. This helps reinforce what you've learned so you don't forget it before exams. Combine both methods. Use flashcards or apps like Anki and Quizlet to test yourself regularly. This cuts down study time while improving retention. Use past papers and pattern recognition. Tip number 3. Past papers are your cheat code to higher grades. Most exams follow predictable patterns, and if you can recognize these, you'll know exactly what to focus on. Look for recurring topics and question styles. Identify high-weightage chapters. Practice under timed conditions. Don't just read past papers. Write down answers as if you were in the exam. This improves your ability to recall under pressure and makes you exam ready. Leverage AI to study smarter, not harder. Tip number 4. Use AI to boost your efficiency. We live in an era where AI can literally cut your study time in half. Here are some game-changing tools. ChatGPT summarizes complex topics, explains concepts, and generates practice questions. Notion AI helps organize study plans and condense notes. If a concept confuses you, ask AI to explain it to you in simple words or create analogies. It's like having a 24/7 tutor. Understand concepts instead of memorizing. Tip number 5. Memorization is overrated. If you struggle with remembering, it's probably because you don't fully understand the concept. Here's how to fix that. Use the Feynman Technique. Teach the topic as if you're explaining it to a 5-year-old. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. Create mind maps. Visualize connections between ideas. This makes learning more engaging. Apply the knowledge. Instead of memorizing formulas, understand why they work. Solve real-world problems to reinforce learning. The more you connect new information with what you already know, the better your brain stores it. Make learning relatable. Highlight and review only key points. Tip number 6. When reviewing, don't waste time reading everything again. Here's what to do instead. Highlight only key points. Keep it minimal. Too much highlighting makes it useless. Use color coding. Example: green for definitions, red for formulas, yellow for important concepts. When reviewing, focus only on the highlighted parts. Use summary sheets or a cheat sheet to condense all key points into 1 to 2 pages before exams. This saves hours of revision. The 2-minute pre-sleep review. Now for the bonus tip, the 2-minute pre-sleep review. Studies show that your brain strengthens memories while you sleep. So, before bed, quickly scan your notes or flashcards for 2 minutes. This boosts retention overnight. Helps recall information faster the next day. Try playing audio notes while you sleep. Your subconscious mind continues processing information. And that's it. By focusing on high-value topics, using smart study techniques, leveraging AI, and reviewing strategically, you can study less and score higher. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a study hack.